Uh-huh. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Great. Let's see. Yeah. So, good evening, Sanika. Good evening, Creative Play, Ananda, Ratnesh. Great. So, I can see 20 of you are there, right? Good evening, Ayush. So, guys, today is our project day. Hope till now you are able to get the clear understanding of basic, right? C, that is our data type, variables, switch case, if else, selection statement, and after that we jump to the loop part, right? Correct. So please write in the chat if you got the idea. Please write in the chat. Good evening, Malik. Okay. So today upload the assignment. Okay, Ayush. Like, okay, I will talk to the management and they will share you the link or they will share you the steps to how, like how you can upload the assignments there, right? So guys, today is our project day. So today, okay, it is up to you which project you want. Like I have two project. I have like done a research and what about pointers and functions? Mr. J, it is about I have to choose between pointer and function or project. So I am going with the project here. Okay, so it is not possible for me to discuss project and pointer and function in the same session, right? So today we will discuss about the project one and let's see the topic, right? Let's see the topic. Okay, we have the time bound foundation, so we will discuss about the project today. And if you are like if you have that part that you want to know about pointers and function, you can write in the comment and we can schedule a master class on pointers, and there we will take the pointer session, right? So let's take the topic. Okay, like I was searching on the net and I got two project here. Tell me guys in the chat which project we should discuss today. Okay, so yeah, first project is our number guessing game. So here, simple, what we have to do, random number will be generated from the computer. Okay, you have to guess the number. Okay, you have to guess the number, and if you are guessing the number and the number is too high, then you should print that is the number is too high on the output screen. Okay, if you are guessing the number and the number is too low than the actual number, then what you have to do, you have to print too low on the output screen. Okay, and there will be k attempts given. You have to do what, you have to guess the number in this k trials, and if you have exhausted the trials and you're not able to guess the correct number, then you will lose the game. Else if you have corrected if you have guessed the correct number, then you will win the game here, right? So this is a simple project, uh, that is number guessing game, our first project. Okay, let's talk about the second project, that is decrypt message here, right? So here you can go through the problem statement. That is an infamous gang of cyber criminals named the Grey Cyber Mob, which is behind many hacking attacks and drug trafficking, okay, has recently become a target for the FBI. After intercepting some of their message, which look like computer nonsense, the agency learned that they indeed encrypt their message and studied their method of encryption. Okay, so let me simplify this part. What happens here, there is a gang, okay, and what they are doing, they are like transferring the information. Okay, so let's assume they have some information, that is you can take this example here, that is DNOTQ. They have this information, that is DNOTQ, and what they are doing is like they, this is a message here and they are encrypting this message. Okay, they are encrypting this message. After encryption, what they are doing at the other end, they are doing the decryption part, right? They are decrypting the message here, decrypt. So what happens, the FBI people got the idea like how they are encrypting the message. Okay, so they asked a software engineer, ki, hey, please come, and this is a message with us, that is DNO2Q, and they are using some encryption technique. You have to decrypt this message. Okay, we will tell you what steps they are following to encrypt the message here, right? So this is a second project where I have given a encrypted message and I have to decrypt the message, right? And the first one is number guessing game, where I have to choose a number, sorry, where I have to guess a number, and if it is equal to the actual number, I won the game, and if it is not equal to the actual number, I will lose the game, right? And there will be k trials given to you. You have to guess in these k trials. So guys, please write in the chat which project should I take this today. Any? Okay, so let's see which project will get the maximum number of vote here. So second project, cybercrime, pointer array, Mr. J. Okay, second one, right? Okay, so let's take the second one, and Mr. J, like I want, like I will cover the array part also here, the basics of array. So we will going with the second project because majority of you are saying second project, right? So let's move to the second project here, right? So here, this one. So observe the pattern here, right? What is happening? You got the idea, like there is a gang. Okay, project is what? There is a gang here, and they got the message here. They got some message here, and what they are doing to the message, let's assume the message here they got is the same one, this one, that is DNOTQ. Okay, this one, that is inside this they got DNOTQ here, right? They are doing the encryption here, and after encrypting the message, what they are doing, they are sending to the other people here. So here we have the gang, and they are sending the message to the gang member here. Okay, after that what happens, like there are FBI. Okay, so these people came and they got the, like they have done what, they have arrested one gang member, and he said ki, hey, what we are doing to the message, let's see what we are doing to the message here. So here you can see I have the encrypted message here, right? This one, right? I have the encrypted message here. After that, that is the encrypted message what, DNOTQ. So he said ki, hey, what we are doing is like, first we are changing the value of the encryption to the ASCII code. Okay, to the ASCII code here. If you will see, not here, 1 minute. Okay, this one. Okay, here let's come to this part, that is D, yeah, here D N O T Q here, and after that the sky code of D is what, 100, a sky code of N is what, 110, a sky code of O is what, 111, a sky code of T is what, 116, a sky code of Q is what, 113 here, right? After getting this point, what they are doing, okay, they have to decrypt the message. Okay, that is this one, CRIME. Okay, how they are doing that part? So to the first character, they are subtracting the ASCII code with -1. Okay, they are subtracting the character with -1. After doing that part, to the remaining character, that is from NOTQ. Okay, and this is my D here. So first what they are doing, this is 100, this is 110, this is 111, this is 116, and this is 113 here, right? So first they are saying ki here for the first character I am doing -1, so the remaining digit will be what, 99 here, right? After that, what they are doing, they are adding the next character with the previous one. Okay, they are adding the next character to the previous one here. So here what we are having, 110. Okay, not adding, sorry, not adding. Here they are subtracting, that is 110 minus 100 is what, it is 10 here, right everyone? After that, 110 minus 111, what we are getting, sorry, 111 minus 110, what we are getting, 1 here. 116 minus the previous ASCII code, we are having 111, so the value will be what, 5. 113 minus 116, we will get -3 here. Okay, so first step is what, they have the encrypted message, that is this one, right? They have the encrypted message here, and after that what they are doing, first step is what, they are converting the encrypted message to the ASCII code. After converting the encrypted message to the ASCII code, what they are doing, to the first character, they are subtracting the ASCII code with -1, so we got what, 99. And to the remaining character, that is from N to Q, they are taking the ASCII code, and they are subtracting the value with the previous ASCII code. So here 110 minus 100, we are getting 10. 111 minus 110, we will get 1. 116 minus 111, we will get 5. 113 minus 116, we are getting -3. Okay, after doing that part, what they are doing, they are saying ki, hey, whatever values are within the range of this one, that is between the range of 97 to 122, for that thing I have to do nothing. Okay, if the value is within this range, then I have to do nothing. If the value is not within this range, then what I have to do, I have to add plus 26 to it till the time I am getting the value within this range. Okay, till the time I am getting the value within this range. So you can see here for 99, right? For 99 is present in this range. Yes, it is present in this range. After that, we are having 10. Okay, 10 is what? 10 is not in this range. So what I will do, if you will like how many times you have to add 26 to 10 to make the number between 97 and 122, guys? Let's see. Please write in the chat how many times I should add 26, okay, with 10, so that this number, the resultant number, should lie between 97 and 122. How many times, guys? Let's see. Okay, so here I have 10, right? So 10, I will add 26 4 times, right? That is 26 plus 26 plus 26 plus 26. So what I will get? I will get 114 here, right everyone? So 114 is within this range. Okay, 114 is within this range. So the next value I got, that is 114. What about 1? Guys, what about 1? Let's see how many times I should add 1. Sorry, I have 1. How many times I should add 26 so that the resultant number should lie between 97 and 122? Anyone? Okay, again we have to add 26 4 times, right? So what I will get? 26 into 4, I will get 104, right everyone? 26 into 4, I will get 104. 104 plus 1, 105. So this will be in the range between 97 and 122. After that, I have what? I have 5. Again, how many times I have to add 26? 4 times. Again, what I will get? 104 plus 9, 104 plus 5, 109 here, right? After that, I am having minus 3. Again, I have to do what? I have to add 26 4 times. So what I will get here? I will get 101. Okay. After getting the resultant number, that is 99, 114, 105, 109, 101. That is, you are getting this number here, right? You can see you are getting this number here. After getting this number, you have to convert the number back to the ASCII code. That is, for 99, the ASCII code is C. For 114, it is R. Similarly, for 105, it is I. For 109, it is M. And for 101, it is E. So we have the encrypted message. We follow certain step, and after doing that step, we got the decrypted message here. Okay, this is the problem statement. Everyone is clear with the problem statement? Anyone has any doubt in the problem statement, please ask. After that, we will move to the solution part. Okay, but the question is clear, guys, what we have to do. Okay, anyone is feeling like at any step they are not able to get? Okay, so it is like all of you are like saying yes, yes. Okay, so what we will do? Correct. Okay, so let's move to the next part. So now the main problem is what with us? Okay, so now we have the encrypted message, and the main problem is what? Till now I don't know. Okay, I know how to store a single character. I know how to store a single character again. I know how to store one. I know how to store a single floating value. I know how to store a single double value. Okay, I know that part. For that, what I have to do? I have to create a variable, right, of different sizes. That is, for this one, I have to create, for character, I have to create 1 byte storage. Okay. For float, I have to create 4 byte storage. For double, I have to create 8 byte storage. And for integer, again, I have to create 4 byte storage. And in order to create that, I can use the power of data types, right, everyone? Data types help us to create, help us to allocate a memory inside the memory system. And in that memory system, it will do what? It will take the value, convert the value to the binary format, and store the value inside that memory system, right? But here but here in this problem statement, we are having what? We are having group of character here, that is DNOTQ. Okay, so it is not possible, like, and yeah, this is what? This is our string here, right? This is our string here. So you will say ki, hey, what I will do? I will create 2 4 5 5 character, 5 variable, 5 variable, and of character type. Okay, and in that 5 variable I will store the value. But the main problem will arise when you have 1000 length character. Okay, when you have 1000 length character here, then you will say ki, hey, I have to create 1000 length, sorry, I have to create 1000 variable. Then it will become complex, your code will become complex, and yeah, debugging will become difficult, right? Yeah, so, and it will become difficult to manage the code, right? So you're saying ki, hey, I know one thing, let's discuss about that thing. See, offer one more thing, that is array. Okay, with the help of array I can achieve this part, that is DNOTQ. Okay, this is our character string here. So what we are doing, we are saying ki, hey, what is debugging? Okay, let's assume here we are having debugging, right? So Ayush has asked one question: what is debugging? Okay, let's assume you have written 1000 line of code, 1000 line of code, and you ran the code. Okay, you ran the code and you are getting the output, but you are not getting the correct output here. You are not getting the correct output here. So what you have to do? You have to go to your code and you have to debug. Debug means you have to find where you are getting, like, where you have made the mistake. Okay, that mistake can be your logical mistake also, that mistake can be your syntax mistake also. So that is called debugging here, right? Correct, Kirti. So let's move to the next part. So I got the idea. If I have to store 1,000 variable, then my code will become complex and very difficult, right? Very difficult to debug, and there are a lot of factors. So I will not go with the variable part, right? So here in languages, in C, in Java, in Python, in any languages, they offers array. Guys, please write in the chat who all knows about arrays. Okay, what is array? Let's see what is array, guys. Okay, no one. Collections of data types. Aryan, no. Like you are saying collections of data types. So basically, it is used to store multiple values in a single variable. No, Kriti, no, 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 no. Similar data types. What similar data types? Collections of similar data types. Array defined using variable name. That I know. But if you have to tell a person who is not from the IT background, ki, hey, what is array? What you will tell? Okay. And value stored. Okay, let's discuss that part, right? We can declare multiple value in single variable. Okay, we can declare multiple value in single variable. Okay, yeah, yeah, you are like going in the right direction. So let's talk about the variable part here. Sorry, the array part here. So array is what? It is a collections of similar kind of data stored in a contiguous memory allocation, right? Contiguous memory location here. So you will say, hey, like I got the idea of collections of similar kind of data. That is, if you want to store five data of integer type, okay, then you are saying, hey, since I have to store five data of integer type, I will create an array, and in that array, I will store similar type of data, okay, and that data will be in contiguous memory location. We will talk about this part. So let's assume you have a shoe rack, okay, आपके पास shoe rack है in your at your home, shoe rack here, and like you came to home. So first thing what you will do, you will take the shoe, right? You will pick the shoe and you will place the shoe inside the shoe rack, right, everyone? So here you have the shoe rack. Okay, this is your like, yeah, this is your house, and in this house, this is the entry point. Okay, and from here, this is a shoe rack. Okay, this is a shoe rack here. So like what happens, one person came and he's saying, hey, I got the shoe rack, and here like I have to put shoe, okay, because this box is for putting the shoe, right? This box, the like the, yeah, the work of this box is what it is used to put the shoe here, right? So I will put the shoe here. After that, the next person came, he also said, yes, again there is a space left, I will put the shoe here. Again I will put the shoe here. Again, next person came. He will put the shoe here. So what we are doing, we have the similar kind of data and we are putting inside a contiguous memory allocation. Okay. What will happen? If I will put one shoe here, if I will put one shoe here in my house, if I will put one shoe here in my house, right? So here you can see you have created one variable, and in that variable you have put like you have stored the shoe. Again you have created one variable and you have stored the shoe. Again you have created one variable, you have stored the shoe. So जब आप variable बना रहे हो, then you can see it becomes difficult to manage the similar kind of data. अगर आपके पास 5 datas हैं of similar kind, and if you are storing that data at different places, so difficult हो जाएंगे मैनेज करने में, राइट? बिकॉज आपको तो याद था कि आई हैव स्टोर्ड द शू एट दिस लोकेशन, ओके, बट आप भूल सकते हो कि मैंने अगला शू कहाँ रखा, यहाँ रखा है या इस जगह पे रखा. तो यू हैव टू go at each corner of your house and you have to find that shoe, right? So वो डिफिकल्ट टास्क हो जाता है रिमेंबर करना. सिमिलरली हमारे पास, ओके, if I will talk in terms of C language, then अगर आपके पास 5 वेरिएबल्स हैं, then it will become difficult to remember the name कि आपने कौन सा डेटा कौन से वेरिएबल में रखा है, right everyone? But अगर आपके पास array है, then you know my task is easy because in array the data is stored in a contiguous memory allocation like this. So what happens here? What happens here? Uh-huh. Yeah. So basically, if you know, okay, 1 minute. Yeah. So here, if you know, let's assume the starting address of this one, 700, and you want to store integer type of data. That is, you have to store 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, everyone? You have these data and you have to store this data, okay, either using variable or either using array. So you are going with the array. So you are saying, hey, I know the starting address 700 and at this address I will put the first element, that is 1, right? So now if you have to put the second element, what you will do? You will say, hey, the second address will be what? 704 and here I will put 2 because this will occupy 4 byte of memory. Integer occupy 4 byte of memory. So one block will be equal to 4 byte here, right? So again, this point will be what? 708 and here you will put 5. Again 712 and you will put 6 here. 716 you will put 7 here and 720 you will put 8 here, right? So what you have done? So you have inserted all the element inside the array and here you can see you have contiguous memory allocation. So if I will say ki, hey, please give me this value 6, okay, please go and please find whether 6 is present in your memory location or not, okay, please go and find whether 6 is present in your memory location or not. So what you will do? You will say ki, hey, I know the starting address. From this starting address I will move in the forward direction, okay, and what I will do? I will check at each container whether 6 is present or not. At one, 6 is not present. I will move to the second container. At this container, 6 is not present. I will move to the next container. 6 is not present. I will move to the next container. 6 is present. So I will say yes, 6 is present at this container. So you can see searching is become easier here, right? Searching, accessing the element, okay, become easier, everyone. Yes or no? And if you have done the same thing with variable, then what you have to do? You have to create one variable. In that you have to store 1, in B you have to store 2, in C you have to store 5, in D you have to store 6, in E you have to store 7, in F you have to store 8. So I have created 6 variable here like this and I am storing the value like this. So now you don't have the options. You have to go to each and every variable and you have to check. So here I have taken a small example, so it is good. But what if if the values are thousand values, then it will become very difficult task to go to each variable and check that part. But in array, if you know the starting address of the first point, then you can easily access any element. What you have to do? You have to just go from one variable to the from one container to the other container, because in array the element are stored in a contiguous memory location, right everyone? Yes or no? This part is clear? Why we need variable, why we need a array? Please write in the chat. Okay, let's see. Array is clear, guys, till this time? Yes or no? Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, okay, 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so guys, it uses less storage. Kriti, it is not using a less storage. The fact is here, if you like, the storage are in contiguous memory allocation, right? So guys, what happens here? You can see behind the scene, if I will go here, behind the scene data will be stored like this at different memory allocation, right? At different memory address. It becomes difficult for the programmer to learn each and every address, right? to know whether 700 and 700, 704. Here I am taking small value, but there the address will be complex, right? So what they have done, they are saying ki, hey, again I'm not going in the deep part of array here, like I will discuss the basics. So what they are saying ki, hey, what I will do, to the first block I will take the index as 0. For the second block I will take the index as 1. For the third block I will take the index as 2, similarly 3, similarly 4 here. Okay everyone, similarly 4 here. Is it clear? So basically, if I have to store similar kind of data, I can use array because the element are stored in a contiguous memory allocation here, right? And let's discuss about the syntax part. Syntax is what? You have to give the data type of the array. That is what kind of data you want to store inside the container. Okay, and after that the name of the array, here I am taking the name as ARR, and after that square bracket, inside this square bracket you have to give the size, that is 5. Okay, the moment you will write this line, what will happen? 5 block of memory, 5 block of contiguous memory will get allocated like this: 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 0 1 2 3 4, like this inside the memory. Okay, first point. The second point is what? Since here I'm using the data type as int, so the size of each memory block will be 4 byte. Okay, it will be equal to 4 byte, that is this 4 byte, 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 right everyone? I have to if I have to insert any element at any particular index, let's suppose I have to insert element at 0, then what I will do, I have to write like this, that is ARR of 0, and here I will write 7. So what will happen, this 7 will get stored at 0th index of ARR, that is here. Okay, similarly if I will write ARR of 2 9, what will happen, 9 will get stored at index 2 here. Okay, similarly if I have to write ARR of 3 and here 10, what will happen, 10 will stored at this index. Similarly here 11 and here 12. So you got the idea how you can insert the element inside the array. Okay, similarly if I will ask you ki, hey, please print the element that is present at index 2, so what you will do, you will say ki, hey, I will use printf, and here since you want to print integer, so you will use %d, and after that you will write the array name, square bracket, and here since I have to print the element that is present at index 2, I will write ARR bracket like this, and I am done with the part. I will get 9 as my output on the output screen. You are getting the point? Similarly, if you want to print the element at index 4, what you have to do, again you have to write here ARR of 4, and you will get the element at the particular index. So array is what? It is a collections of similar kind of data stored in a contiguous memory location, and this is a syntax of declaring an array of 5 size. Okay, after that this is a syntax 1 minute. Yeah, this is a syntax of storing the element. Okay, inside the array, if you want to fetch the element, you can fetch like this. Okay, till this point it is clear. Again, I'm not going in the deep part of array, like what happened behind the scene. Okay, because we have to discuss the project, but for this problem statement you should know how to create an array, how to access the element from the array, and how to fetch how to insert the element inside the array, and how to fetch the value from the array. Everyone is clear till this point? Yes or no? Please write in the chat. Okay, till this point everyone is clear? Similarly, here I am taking integer array. We can take character array also. We can take float array also, right? Correct. So let's move to the problem statement now, right? So first thing is what? First thing is what? I have to 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. So first thing is what? I have to get the encrypted data. So what I will do? Let's assume I got the encrypted data. And what I will do, I will store the encrypted data inside the array. That is D N O T Q. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everyone. I got the encrypted data. And can you guys write in the chat how many bytes this memory block will take? Okay, inside the computer memory, how many bytes? Please write in the chat. Let's see. One memory block will take how many byte in this case? In this case, okay. Kriti 4? No. No, Kriti. Basically, if you will see here, I am storing character type of data, and character occupies 1 byte inside the computer memory. So this will take 1 byte. Okay, if you are telling 4, okay, overall. Okay, Kriti, if you are telling overall 4, then also it is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so one memory block will take 1 byte, because here we are storing character, right? If we are storing integer, then it will take 4 byte. One block will take 4 byte, correct? If I am storing float, then one block will take 4 byte again, correct? So here one block is taking how many byte? 1 byte. So here I am having how many block? I am having 5 block. So block will take how many bytes? 5 into 1 byte. That is 5 byte. Everyone is getting the point? This is the size of the array here. So I got the encrypted data, and I have stored the encrypted data inside the character array. So what I will do, let's create a character array here. That is char, and after that encrypted, and here, okay, there are two ways to store the data. Like one, at the time of initialization, okay, when you are declaring the character array, at that time, if you want to store the data, then you have to use curly bracket, and here you have to just write D in quotes, since I'm storing character data. After that N, after that O, after that T, after that Q. Okay, here what I'm doing, I'm storing the data at the time of initialization. So at the time of declaration, I'm declaring an array, and at that time I'm storing a static value. This is what? Static value, right? Static value means I'm not taking input from the user, right? I'm not taking input from the user. So this is the static value, and this is the syntax. Okay, to store data inside the array at the time of declaration, right? After that, so you got the encrypted data. After that, what you have to do? Okay, let's write the steps here. So first step is what? Subtract -1 to the first character. Okay, to the first character you have to subtract -1. After subtracting -1 to the first character, what you have to do? You have to go to the remaining character, okay, and to the remaining character, what you have to do? You have to take the previous ASCII value, okay, you have to take the previous ASCII value, and to this previous ASCII value you have to subtract the current ASCII value, right everyone? Current ASCII value here. After getting the resultant array, what I have to do? I have to convert the number back to the character. Okay, let's see point by point. Yeah, okay, this one. So I got the encrypted data. After that, what I have to do? Let's take a variable here. Okay, int, and I will take, let's take the name as previous here. Okay, int previous is equal to 1. Okay, int previous is equal to 1. After that, what I have to do? Subtract -1 to the first character, and to the remaining character I have to do some stuff. That means I have to traverse the whole array. Okay, that means I have to traverse the whole array. You guys are getting the point? So in order to traverse the whole array, okay, if you have to perform any operation on any character, you have to traverse the characters, right? So what you have to do here, you have to use a for loop. Okay, in the for loop you have to get the starting point. Okay, you are saying ki, hey, since I know the starting block will be zero index, right? The starting block will be zero index, so here I will write I is equal to 0. Okay, after that semicolon, what will be the end point here? That is the length of the array, the length of the string here, right? So how I will get the length of the string? So here I have a function that is strlen. Okay, and in this function I have to pass the name of the array, and here the name is what? Encrypt. So what this function will do, it will go and it will calculate the length of the array, and here the length of the array is what? 5. So it will give me 5 as my output. And one more thing, when you have to use this function that is strlen, then what you have to do, this function is defined where? Inside string dot h header file, like you have printf and scanf that are defined inside stdio.h. Similarly, string.h is the header file for this strlen function. Everyone is getting the point? So I will use that function. I will say ki, hey, I will execute the body of the for loop till the time the value of I is less than strlen, and here encrypt. Okay, after that I have to go to the next index, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, after that, so what you have done, you are saying ki, hey, I know the starting address, sorry, I know the starting point, I know the ending point. How I got the ending point? By the function strlen, right? And here you have passed encrypt. So what output you will get? You will get 5 here. After getting this stuff, you are saying ki, hey, so for the first time, what I will get? I will get the first character, that is D here, right? So what I will do? I will take a variable here that is char ch, and here I will say ki, hey, please get me the first character, not the first character, please get me the character that is present at ith index. So here, in order to fetch the character from the array, what you have to use? You have to write the name, that is encrypt. Okay, and after that square bracket, here you have to write I. Okay, here you have to write I, and you are done with the part. You will get the first character here. Okay, you will get the first character here. After getting the first character, what you are doing, you can see, subtract -1 to the first character ASCII code. Okay, now our task is what? How to find the ASCII code. Again, what I will do, I will get the character here. Okay, in order to get the ASCII code, okay, int code here, what I will do, I will just write ch, right? I will just write ch here, and this will do my task. Why this will do my task? Guys, what type of conversion is this one? We have discussed this thing in the second lecture. Can you guys tell me, this is explicit type conversion or implicit type conversion? Please write in the chat. If I will write this line, I will get the ASCII code of D. Right, everyone? I will get the ASCII code of D. Please write in the chat. Why? This is what? Implicit type conversion, right? Implicit type conversion. Why implicit type conversion? You have a smaller data type, that is, you have 1 liter water and you want to put this 1 liter water inside 4 liter container. So compiler is saying ki, hey, I will do the task for you. Okay, I will do the task for you, and I will store this 1 liter water inside 4 liter container. There is no loss of data. So this is what? Implicit type conversion, and it is done directly by the compiler. Right, everyone? Till this point, anyone has any doubt, please ask. You guys are getting the point what I am doing here? Okay, yes or no? Please write in the chat. Till this point, guys, do you have any confusion? Should I repeat from the start or like it is clear? Let's see. Okay, so no one. Okay, so we got the code, right, everyone? First, what we have done, we have the encrypted message, okay, that I have stored inside the array. After that, I am taking previous and I am initializing with 1. After that, I am using for loop because I have to traverse through the whole array, that is from 0 till the length of the array. And in order to find the length, I am using strlen function. Okay, this function is defined where inside string.h file. After that, what I am doing, at the ith index, okay, that is here, you can say d n o t q. So the value of d here is what, like here you are at this position, because this is what, 1 minute, yeah, this is what 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, right, everyone? This is inside the array, and this one, correct? So your I is at 0 index. For 0 index, first what you got? You got the character that is inside ch. Inside ch, what you will get? You will get d. After that, what you are saying, you are doing implicit type conversion. That is inside code. What you will get? You will get 100. The ASCII code of character D is what? 100. And this will be done by the compiler because character is smaller data type and I'm storing the smaller data type value inside a bigger container, right? So it will be taken care by the compiler. Everyone is clear till this point? Yes or no? So we are done with the first part, that is this part. Now what I have to do, I have to check here, right? I have to check whether this character is lying with lying in this range or not. That is from 97 to 122, whether the character is lying in this range or not, guys. So in order to check that part, what I will do, and yes, if it is lying in this range, then I have to do nothing. But if it is not lying in this range, what I have to do, guys, I have to add 26 to it till the time it is inside this range, right? So here you can see I have to execute a part of the code again and again. So here I have to use a loop, right? Here I have to use a loop, correct? So I got the code here, and after getting the code, what I will do, I will say ki, hey, code is equal to code minus previous value. Okay, code is equal to code minus previous value. And you will say ki, hey, why you have written this line? The value of code is 100. 100 minus previous is what, guys? It is 100 minus previous value is what? It is 1 here. So I will get what? 99 here. Okay, I will get 99 at this point. Okay, after that, what I will do, I will write a while loop. Okay, that is, hey, while loop, please run till the time my code is greater than equal to 97 and my code is less than equal to 122. Basically here I am using a while loop, and in this while loop what I am doing, I am saying ki, hey, run the while loop till the time my code is within this range. Okay, within this range. So 1 minute, yeah, sorry, my mistake here. So what I have to do here, I have to write run the while loop till the time code is less than 97. The moment it will cross 97, that means it will lie within this range, that is between 97 and 102. So here What I have to write? I have to write. Okay, let me. Yeah, this one. Okay. So here, what I have code less than 97, and here what I have to do? Code is equal to code plus 26, right? Code plus 26. So what will happen here? Here the value of code is 99. 99 is less than 97. No, 99 is not less than 97. That means 99 is within the range. So I will not execute the while loop. Okay, I will not execute the while loop. After that, what I will do? I will create one more array, that is my answer array. And inside this answer array, what I will do? I will store the result. Okay, I got the code, I have done the steps here, and after doing the step, what I will do? I will store the result, that is decrypt of 0 character, not 0 here, decrypt of ith character will be equal to what? Will be equal to here. Yeah, here I have a code, and I want to store this code inside decrypt I, right? So this time, this code is what, guys? This is integer value, and I want to store the integer value inside a container that is of character type. So this time you are having a 4 liter water, and you want to store that 4 liter of water inside 1 liter of container. So there is a chance of data loss. So you are saying ki, hey, what I will do? I will use explicit type conversion here. That is, in order to use explicit type conversion, you have to write data type here. That is char. Okay, like this. So this is what explicit type conversion here, right? So implicit type conversion is performed by the compiler, but explicit type conversion we have to perform. We have discussed this part in the second lecture, right? So we have encrypted the character, we have decrypted the character. Now what I have to do? 1 minute. Yeah, here. So now what I have to do? I have to update the previous value now. Okay, my previous value here is what? At this line, previous is what? It is 1, correct? Now what I want? I want to make the previous value as this, the ASCII code of D, right? So what I will do? I will write previous is equal to previous plus code here, and I am done with the part. Previous is equal to previous plus code, and I am done with the part here. Okay, here is a pin drop silence in the chat. You guys are getting the point? Why I have written this line? Why I have written this line? Yes or no? Okay, let's try to take one example, and then you will get the clear idea why I have written this line, right? So let me okay, I think, please write in the chat, the screen is clear, right? Okay, so what I'm doing here, let's take the encrypted message here. Okay, let's try to dry run the code, then you will get the clear idea what I'm trying to do here, right? So the encrypted code is what? This one, D N. Okay, Kriti, I am explaining again, please listen carefully, okay, this time. And if you are having any doubt at any point, please let me know. So I have an encrypted message that is DNOTQ. Okay, so this is line number, this one, that is this line I have executed. Okay, this line I have executed. After that, what I am having? I am having previous. I am having one variable previous, and in this previous variable, what I am having? I am having the value as 1. Let's take here previous, and in this I am having 1. That is, this line got executed, right? Now what I have? I have a for loop that is starting from 0, this line. I have a for loop that is starting from 0, and it is going till the length of the array. So here I am having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? After that, what you are saying? You are saying ki, hey, character ch, this line, character ch is equal to encrypt of I. So I have a container. In this container, what I am doing? I am saying ch and inside this I have D now. That is I is what? It is 0. So that's why I have D inside this one, right? After that I have one more container, that is code, and inside this code container what I have ch, that is here I am doing implicit type of conversion, right everyone? I am doing implicit type of conversion. So the sky value of D will get stored here, that is 100 will get stored at this point inside code container. After that, what I am doing, I am writing this line, that is code is equal to code minus previous. The value of previous is 1, the value of code is 100, so 100 minus 1 will be what guys? It is 99. So inside the code what will get stored? 99 will get stored now. So basically I have two tasks, that is on the first character what I have to do, I have to take the character value. Okay, after taking the character value, convert the character value to the sky code. Okay, I have taken the first character, converted to the sky code. After converting to the sky code, what I have to do, I have to subtract -1, right? So that's why I have taken the previous value as 1. So I got 99 here. After getting 99, what you are saying ki hey, please store the answer in the decrypt I. Okay, let's assume I have a array here, that is decrypt, and like this, and at the 0th index what I am saying, store char of code. The value of code is what? 99, and 99 will be converted to the character, and the character value of 99 will be what? It will be C. So C will get stored at this index. You guys are getting it? C will get stored at this index. After that, what I am doing, previous is equal to previous plus 1. Sorry, previous plus code. The value of 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. It is getting smaller. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So previous is equal to previous plus code. The value of previous is 1 and the value of code is what? 99. So 99 plus 1 will be what? 100, right? So 100 will get stored here. So if you will realize this point, why I have written this line? Why I have written this line? I am getting 100 here. 100 is what? The sky code of D. Okay. So I am converting my previous back to the sky code. Okay, so I got 100 stored inside this previous container, right everyone? After that, can you explain decrypt line and then this line? Okay, so basically here what we are doing, decrypt of I is what? 0. So at 0, what I have to do, I have to store some character value. I have the code is what? 99, correct? And 99, this is a sky value. For this one, the character is what? C. Okay, since I am having the smaller data type and I am storing that smaller data type to a bigger data type variable, so I have to use character here like this, and this is called explicit typecasting, right? Till this point everyone is clear? After that what will happen? Previous is equal to previous plus code. Okay, after this I will get this closing bracket. That means I will update the value of I. So now my I will point here, that is at index 1. At index 1 again I have to do the same part, that is this one. First what I will do, I will convert this character n to the sky code. Okay, that is line number this one, char ch is equal to, first I fetch the value. Okay, first I fetch the value. So here what I will get, I will get n. Okay, after that what I am doing, I got the n. After that I am converting this n to the sky code here, right? I am converting this n to the sky code here. So basically this is my 100 now, and I'm converting the n to the ASCII code here, right? And let's see the ASCII code of n here. It is 110. Okay, so n will get converted to 110 like this. After that, what we are doing again, what we are doing, uh-huh, code is equal to code minus previous. So the previous character is what? D. So D ASCII code is what? 100. So I have already stored this one 100, right everyone? So 110 minus 100, I will get what? 10, correct? And this 10 will get stored inside this container, right? That is inside the container code. Okay, inside the container code. After getting 10, what I am checking here, this while loop. Code is less than 97. Yes, 10 is less than 97. What I will do, I will add 26 to it. Okay, so the value will become what? 36. Here I will get 36. After that, again the while loop will, the condition is true, that is 36 is less than 97. So again I will add 26 to it, and this while loop will execute till the time I am getting a value that is greater than 97. So here what I will get at last, I will get 100 and I have 10 and I will get 114 here. Everyone is clear till this point? Yes or no? So 114 will get stored inside the code. After that, I will move to the decrypt line. And in the decrypt line, what I am taking? I am taking the code value, that is 114, and I am converting this 114 to the character. I am converting integer to a character. And the character value of 114 is what? R. Correct? So R will get stored here. Okay, if you will check the ASCII table, the ASCII code corresponding to character R is 114 here. Okay, the ASCII code of R is 114 here. Right, everyone? So I will get R here. After that, what I am doing? See, previous is equal to previous plus code. The value of previous is what, guys? It is 10. Correct? 10. Okay. Data type of I is not declared. Yeah, like this is a pseudo code, that's why I have not declared that part. Okay, we will like declare this thing, but the idea is clear, guys, what I am doing here. Yes or no? Idea is clear. So at last, what we are doing, previous is 100, right? Okay, I got the previous as 100. After that, what we are doing, we are adding what? Code value, right, everyone? The code value is what? It is previous is 110, and here I am getting the, no, sorry, previous is what, guys? Here at this line, code minus previous, but the idea is clear, right? Yes or no? Please write in the chat. After that, we will go to the solution part. Okay, let's see. Should I run the whole code, or the idea is clear, guys? Okay, clear. So let's run the code. Okay, on the terminal here, then you will get the clear idea. Yeah, there are different ways to do this part. Okay, there are different ways to code this solution. Okay, here I am taking the optimized one, and here like what I have to do. Yeah, let's move to the this part, and after that, array, quit. Let's quit this part. So here I have to take the compile IDE, and here I will create a new file, that is encrypt. Okay, message, that is encrypt.c. Let's take this file here, and I know I have to use hash include, and here I have stdio.h, because this will help me to get printf and scanf function here, right? After that, I know int main, this will be the starting point, and after that, what I have to create a encrypt array here, that is encrypt like this, and this one, and here you are seeing what? In the encryption, let's assume I am getting the value as D N O, and after that I am getting T here, and after that I am getting Q here, right? So this value I will get. After that, what I have to do? I have to create one more array in order to store the decrypt message. So I will create one more array that is like this decrypt, and here I am saying ki, hey, let's calculate the size of the encrypt array. So in order to create the in order to calculate the size of the encrypt array, what I have to use? I have to use a function that is strlen, and inside this, what I have to pass? I have to pass the name of the array that is encrypt here, right? After that, here I can write what? N. And in order to use strlen, what we have to use? We have to use the header file that is hash include, and here we are having string dot h, right everyone? Okay, so I have created a encrypted message. I have the decrypted part also. Now what I will do? I will create a previous value, right? And here inside the previous, I will store 1. Okay, I will store 1 here. After that, what I will do? I will use a for loop to iterate through the whole array. That is from I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus here. After doing that stuff, what I have to do? First, I have to fetch the character. That is char ch is equal to encrypt of I. Okay. After doing that part, what I have to do? I have to get the ASCII value from the character, right? So here I should take R, right? Yeah. And here also I should take R and get, yeah. So I got the character here. After taking the character, I have to convert the character to the ASCII code, right? So in order to do that part, I will take int code, and here I will write what? CH. And since what I am doing, I am having a 1 liter container, that is my character, and I want to store 1 liter container inside 4 liter container, that is my integer. So this will be done, that is my implicit typecasting here, right? Implicit typecasting. After doing that part, what I have to do? I have to check. Okay, I got the character. Okay, I got the code, and to the code, what I have to do? I have to add the previous value. That is code is equal to code minus previous here, right, everyone? After getting the actual code value, I have to check whether the code is lying in the range 97 to 122. If it is not lying, then I have to use the while loop, and this while loop will run till the time code is less than 97, right everyone? Okay, and what inside the body, what I have to write? I have to write code is equal to code plus 26. Okay, that is till the time the code value is less than 97, please increment the code by 26 again and again. Okay, the moment it will be in the range from 97 to 122, I will stop. Okay, I will move out of the while loop. After, okay, after doing that stuff, that is decrypted the I have decrypted the message. Now I have to convert the code back to the character. So in order to do that part, what I will use? I will use decrypt of I, and here, since this time I have a integer value and I have to store that integer value inside a character container, that is 4 byte value I have to store inside 1 byte container. So what I have to use here? I have to use explicit typecasting, that is char. Okay, and here what I can write code here, right? And I'm done with the part. After doing that stuff, what I'm doing? I'm updating the previous value, that is previous is equal to, okay, previous is equal to, okay, I am getting here, okay, so basically code I am getting, after that I am getting 199 I am getting, right? So here I will write previous plus code here, right? And I'm done with the part. Let's try to print the encrypted message here, that is for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here I will decrypt the message here, that is printf. And since I have to print character at a time, so I will use %c, and after that comma, and after that decrypt. And in order to get the character from the particular index, I have to write this symbol, and I am done with the part. And after that return 0 here. Okay, let's see whether I am doing the correct code or I am doing a mistake here, right? So now it is clear, guys. Now the code is clear, the code is simple. Okay, like I am taking time to explain you the approach, but the code is simple here, right? So let's run the code now. First, what I have to do, I have to compile the code, that is gcc encrypt dot c here, right? Okay, I am getting an error here, no such file. Oh, sorry, my mistake. The name of the file is encrypy. Okay, like I have done some typing mistake here. Encrypy dot c here. So again, I am getting a lot of mistake here. That is what p dot c is not recognized as a. What mistake I have done? 1 minute. I have to use. Okay, I got the point here. Like I have to use gcc, and after that the name of the file, that is encrypy dot c here, right? Now I am getting the mistake. Okay, so basically it is saying ki hey, passing argument 1 of strl incompatible pointer type, okay, should pass like this. Okay, let's see. Calculate the length of string in C, right? So basically you can calculate the length of the using strlen function here, right? So here if you will go, okay, there is like the scanf, we have created str, and after that, okay, we are passing the correct value, then why we are getting the wrong answer here? Encrypt, encrypt, okay, strlen encrypt. Okay, we have done the correct part. So let's see. So please write in the chat, guys, why I'm getting the wrong answer here. Length, I assign it to the length variable. Okay, int n will give me what? Oh, sorry. Okay, so basically why I'm getting this error, because here this will be character type, right? Character here, and this will be character type, right? Now it is clear. Yeah. So here I have to take character because I am storing character value, right? So now if I will save the program, and now if I will compile the program, that is gcc this, now it is compiled successfully, right? So let's now run the program here, dot slash a. So here you can see I am getting the output as crime here, right? Here you can see I have successfully decrypted the message. With the help of the FBI, I have successfully decrypted the message here. So guys, the code is clear. Okay, the approach is clear, like how I am breaking the problem statement into sub problem statement, and I am solving one part at a time, right? Everyone, please write in the chat if you have any doubt at any point of the code. Please write in the chat at what line and why, then we can discuss that doubt, else we will end our session. Yes or no, guys? The code is clear, guys? How we are doing encryption, how we are doing decryption? Okay, yes or no? Yes. Anyone has any doubt till this point? Should I run any part of the code you're not able to understand here? Code is clear, right? So basically here I'm doing implicit typecasting, here I'm doing explicit typecasting. Okay, typecasting. And since I have a similar kind of data, so I'm using array here. Okay, I'm using array here at this line. that is this line. In order to store the data, I'm using array here. And after that, here this function is used to calculate the length of the string here. Okay. After that, this line, that is line number 11, is used to fetch the character at ith index of encrypt array. Okay, encrypt array. After that, implicit type casting, that is converting. Okay, that is getting the sky value here, getting the sky value here, right? Okay, and here converting the sky code back to the character. Okay, and here what I am doing, this while loop is for what? This while loop is, okay, is for what? Loop is for making the code, okay, making the code value in range 97 to 122. Okay, till that time it will run. The moment it will become code. Okay, and this is what this line why I have written. What thought? Yeah. So this line why I have written, guys. Previous is equal to previous plus code. Okay. In order to get the previous character sky value. Okay, character sky value. And this for loop is clear, right? To traverse each element of array, right? And here I am doing the simple printer. Got the idea, guys, what I am doing here? So this is about the project. Okay, hope you like the project, hope you have learned a lot from this project. Okay, go through the project. There are multiple solution. Again, there are multiple solution. Here I am going with the optimized one. There is more optimized code here, but I'm not going with that part because you are beginners. So yeah, so this is all for today's session, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this one. What you can do is, like, in order to mark the attendance, you have to go to the attendance link here, and from here, like, again the same process. Like, if you are login, it is good. If you're not login, login first. And okay, let me log in here. Okay, it is logged successfully. After that, enroll if you are not enrolled in the program. And after that, what you can do, go to the mark attendance. And after that, rate the session. If you like the session, rate the session. If you are interested in our 6-month Let's Upgrade program, okay, we have, again, this is for the last time, I'm repeating the same thing. That is, if you are interested in the structured course, if you are willing to learn the fundamental and in-depth knowledge of the front-end part, the back-end part, okay, then you can enroll in our Let's Upgrade full stack program. If you are interested in the data science, that is a machine learning, big data, okay, some tools with the help of which you can visualize the data, okay, and there are a lot of concept in the data science also. So in order to learn in that structured format, you can go to our website, and from that you can explore the session. And if you are interested, click on the yes button, and after that, if you have any suggestion, click nothing here. Okay, submit your attendance. And after that, what you can do is, like, again, if you are like referring this code to the to your friend or to your batchmate or to someone, then you will get these prices that are listed here. So these are number of referrals. If you are giving 2 referrals, then you will get a TWC earphone by JBL. Okay, this is a secondary byproduct thing, but our focus is what? To, like, yeah, to teach each and every one of you in the structured way, in depth knowledge on the topic. Okay, so here we are having great instructor in our Let's Upgrade portal who have done the masters in full stack, the data science program. Okay, if you are interested in those program, you can visit to our website, and you can, like, if you have any query, you can like, you can mail to us or like contact us, and from there you will get the query clear, right? So this is about our full stack and our data science program. Again, in this program, you will be learning about the full stack data science program. Apart from that, the by project is what you will be learning the data structure also. Okay, and if you are applying for the, like, if you are aiming for some good companies, some good product based companies, so their first and second round will be the data structure. Okay, so there they will test your problem solving skills. Okay, after clearing those round, you will be like uh, you will be like you will go to the next round, and there they will ask about the project and that knowledge about our respective technology, right? Whether you are going, like, your resume is according to the full stack, they will ask about the full stack in the third round. If your resume is according to the data science, they will ask about the data science project and data science, like, terminology there. Okay, so in order to clear the first and second round, you have to learn the data structure. We are having the complete course on the data structure. From there you can get the clear idea which data structure, when to use, how to use, and why to use, and how to optimize our code, right? So this is about our program. Hope you enjoyed our this bootcamp essential session, right? We have limited times. I tried my best to cover most of the topic. Okay, so if you have any suggestion, please write in the chat. Okay, if you are like if you are interested in any topic, like you want to learn about the pointers, or you want to learn about the functions, if you want the in-depth knowledge on the array, then what you can do is, like, you can write in the chat and we will have a meeting with the management. And there, if you are like if we are getting a lot of demand on a particular topic, we will take the master class on that particular topic in our in this YouTube session. Okay, so this is all from today's, guys. Hope you have learned a lot. Keep doing hustle, okay? Keep learning, and one day you will be able to get the job. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining our session. Okay? Yeah. Uh,